We're asked here to find the distance between 2 points, and finding the distance requires use of a formula or some theory. Now, you can work this out if you're not sure, but always the distance is based on Pythagoras, and it's the distance between the x points squared plus the distance between the y points squared, and the square root of all of that. That's how it works. But we'll have a look and see, and we'll work this out for ourselves so that if you're in a point where you're not sure how to do it, then at least you know the method to find it rather than having to remember things. First, of course, let's rule some axes. And Shazam, there they are. Isn't that so convenient? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my points in. A is at 0 and -4, so that's probably down here somewhere. 0 and -4. And B is at 8 and 2, so it's 8 and 2, so it's probably there somewhere, and let's label that. Now, I'm also going to label my axes because I'm a good boy and examiners like that stuff. And now we can draw in the Pythagorean triangle that we're going to use to solve our question. If I draw a triangle in there that's a right angle triangle, this distance here is my D. So now let's work out the distance between these 2 points. So my distance D is my x distance. Now my x value goes from 0 to 8. So the distance there is 8 minus 0, or 8 squared, plus my y distance. Y goes from -4 to 2. So that's a distance of 6. And if I want to, I can even mark in those distances where this distance here is 8 and this distance here is 6. And so now my distance is 8 squared plus 6 squared equals root 64 plus 36 equals root 100, which is 10 units. And that's how I can find the distance between 2 points, any 2 points on the Cartesian plane. Even if I don't know the formula, I can work it out using Pythagoras from first principles.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe or like. Thanks.